Are you the best Mont Blanc pens for your needs on the market and latest model? Here are our top 5 picks to consider. Whether you're looking for a pen for everyday writing or for a luxurious gift, Mont Blanc has a variety of options to choose from. So let's get started with the list. Mont Blanc Meisterstück Le Grand Ballpoint Pen. The Mont Blanc Meisterstück Le Grand Ballpoint Pen is a limited numbered edition and features a gold-plated clip with individual serial number, black precious resin inlaid with Mont Blanc emblem, and 3 gold-plated rings embossed with the Mont Blanc brand name. Handmade in Germany, the pen is made of either precious resin or black PVD finish 18KT gold. Available individually or as a set with 4 other pens of your choice. The Meisterstück Le Grand pen combines the classic, timeless design of a ballpoint pen with purest craftsmanship. This executive style has been crafted from precious resin and expertly filled with Mont Blanc ink to produce beautiful, high-quality writing. It is presented in a luxurious leather presentation box. They are expensive, but they are also well worth the money. They are also great investments and make great gifts for the writers in the family. Mont Blanc Meisterstück Le Grand Platinum Ballpoint Pen. The Flagey Platinum Ballpoint Pen oozes luxury. Its barrel, cap, and clip are made from precious resin, individually numbered and platinum plated. The emblem of Mont Blanc is set in black precious resin and engraved 3 times to create the Mont Blanc Meisterstück logo. It has a round back design that is fitted with a black precious resin inlaid top. The gold rings embossed with the Mont Blanc brand name also act as part of the pen's elegant design. This endlessly stylish and luxurious pen features the Le Grand Platinum pen body, which comes with a gold-plated clip. The 3 inlaid platinum rings embossed with the brand name are unique to this pen. The Mont Blanc emblem is set in onyx, which has always been used by Mont Blanc as a symbol of luxury and exclusivity. This is encrusted with 13 diamonds. This timeless design is combined with a black precious resin that has been polished to an exquisite shine, then mounted in the top of the cap for an extra sense of refinement. Mont Blanc Starwalker Ballpoint Pen. The Mont Blanc Starwalker Ballpoint Pen is the ultimate office accessory, with its floating Mont Blanc emblem in transparent cap top. The clip has an embossed Mont Blanc logo and a batten that can also be used as a stop to prevent accidental dispatches. The lighter weight of this pen means it's more comfortable to use. Its ruthenium-plated fittings are kept in pristine condition by a black precious resin body, which extends to the very tip of the pen where it is capped off with ruthenium-plated ends. Each pen is individually numbered, ensuring each writing instrument bears a unique serial number that can be traced back to its origin. The Starwalker range has been inspired by the world of travel and exploration. This special edition ballpoint pen is inspired by a compass, and its floating Mont Blanc emblem in transparent cap top helps you to always find your way. Mont Blanc Meisterstück Black Ballpoint Pen. The Mont Blanc Meisterstück Black Ballpoint Pen is handmade in Germany with a solid black bicolor resin body. The sleek, smooth, and impeccably balanced design reflects the uncompromising craftsmanship of its craftsmen. Ideal for male and female collectors alike, this sophisticated writing instrument is available in 2 elegant colors, blue rose or black marble. The Meisterstück is a classic line of writing instruments. This ballpoint pen features a lightweight and ergonomic 18-karat rose gold body with 14K 2-tone gold palladium clip and trim, black anodized aluminum grip, and eye-catching Mont Blanc emblem in black on stainless steel cap. This ballpoint pen is made out of high-quality resin with a huge refill. The pen has a black barrel, an elegant and refined look that corresponds to the classic, elegant and prestigious style of Mont Blanc. It is certain that this pen is definitely a must-have for every collector. 5. Mont Blanc Meisterstück Platinum Line Homage Small Size Pen. This pen features a highly polished clip and rings, along with a beautifully shaped 18-karat gold nib. The elegant design makes it a great item to proudly add to your collection of luxury writing instruments. This fountain pen will make you proud to use it. The Schreib Ohr from the ballpoint line by MB of Mont Blanc. Its cap has the signature WA Mozart pattern and the clip is platinum plated. With its unique twist mechanism, this pen writes in two directions. The sleek platinum-plated clip and rings underscore the overall elegant design of the pen. This size is perfect for a woman's hand, and it writes so smooth. The ballpoint pen with a twist mechanism by Mont Blanc is distinguished by its superb workmanship and elegant design. The beautifully decorated clip and rings are crafted in platinum.